What's good, YouTube? It's y'all boy E. We back, baby. We back. So, bringing y'all a quick video. Some of you know we do have a lowrider. I'm in my man cave showing y'all my statues, my trophies and stuff like that before we unbox our first package for the new lowrider. So we did get a new lowrider. It is a Chevy. So I'm dropping it off at the shop tomorrow to get some things done to it. The car still needs a little work, nothing crazy, but so I'm doing the speakers, new battery, moving some speakers around that are already in the car currently, and a few other little things, doors, stuff like that. Just the little things that need to be fixed, right? But we do have a package right here. From the title, you probably can tell what it is, but we do have a package, the first package for the lowrider that I ordered. So we're gonna open this up and let's see what's inside. All right. Let's see what's inside. Oh, they got this thing wrapped really good. Really, really good. Look at that, everybody. Yes, sir. So we got the chrome crazy cut steering wheel. Look at that. Let's take all this wrap off. Be right back. All right, everybody. So here's the steering wheel. Nothing crazy. Nice little steering wheel. This is just the first part of, things I'm going to order for the car. I'm not ordering a lot, but this is the first piece. This is from, I think, Crazy Kutting out in Arizona. Just a generic Chevy symbol steering wheel. Just something to get me going for right now. I might end up doing a custom one in the future. I heard it takes a little time for it to get made, but I just ordered this last week and it came in already. So pretty, dope looking steering wheel, Chevy symbol. Nothing crazy, just something to get me going and get me back in these streets. I do love the original 60 steering wheel, but the one I have currently is kind of beat up, so this will do for right now, and it'll look good with the wheels and everything else. So yeah, man, just wanted to bring y'all this. I should be dropping a video of my trip to Arizona. It probably won't be the best, but I'll be dropping that video soon, my trip to go pick the car up, and then we'll go from there. So next month, our car show, September 3rd, Limelight, and that's pretty much it, everybody. So not revealing the car yet. If you think you know what the car is, drop it in the comments. If not, y'all stay tuned, stick with your boy, and let's drop this big reveal on what the next lowrider is. So yeah, this has been y'all boy E. Hope all y'all been doing well. I'll see y'all on the next video.